Hello everyone, I am Shivani and today I'll be teaching you about the preamble of our constitution. Preamble basically means an introduction or preface to the constitution. It contains the summary and essence of the constitution. The preamble is based on the objectives resolution drafted and adopted by our Constituent Assembly at the time of framing the Indian Constitution. It was only once amended till date by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976. For a better understanding, let us look at the text of the preamble, which reads as, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation." In our Constituent Assembly, on this day, 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. From the reading of this bare text, we can conclude some basic facts which are, firstly, source of the authority of the Constitution, that is, we the people of India. Secondly, nature of Indian Constitution. It declares India to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, and republican polity. And finally, the date of adoption of the Constitution, that is November 26th of 1949. Now, let us understand the meanings of the terms used in the text. Sovereign implies that India is an independent state. There is no authority above it and it is free to conduct its own affairs. India can either acquire a foreign territory or cede a part of its territory in favor of a foreign state. Socialist. It was added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act. However, it doesn't mean that India was not a socialist state prior to this constitutional amendment, as our constitution had socialist content in the form of certain directive principles of state policy since the very beginning. Democratic socialism implies faith in a mixed economy where both public and private sectors coexist side by side. Third, secular. It was also added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Although it was not expressly mentioned in the Constitution, the Constitution makers always wanted to establish a secular state, and accordingly, Articles 25 to 28 guaranteeing the fundamental right to freedom of religion have been included in our Constitution. Fourth, democracy. It is based on the doctrine of popular sovereignty, which means possession of supreme power by the people. Few important features of democracy in our Constitution are representative parliament, under which executive is responsible to the legislature for all policies and actions, universal adult franchise, periodic elections, rule of law, and independence of judiciary. Finally, republic means having an elected head for the nation, and in India we call him the president, who is directly elected for a fixed period of 5 years. Republic means basically two things. One, vesting of political sovereignty in the people and not in a single head. Second, absence of any privileged class, and hence all public offices are open to every citizen without discrimination. Thank you for watching this video. I shall continue explaining the meanings of the remaining terms in the next video. Stay tuned and have a good day. Hello everyone, I am Shivani.